Hello everyone. So today on this one I am making some what is called the phone grip, the phone holder. The another name, the company called Pop Socket, they make as well, but I can't use that word. Apparently that it's copyrighted word, so I can't use that on my tag. So it is phone grip, the one you hold to one you stick at the back of your phone to hold your phone. I have got in one of the my old phone, so I am just trying something very different. So got my piping bag here, which I am going to use. I'm just going to cut the front. I don't like too big. I stopped using it because I don't like that bit. Don't like too much at the front. I normally use for my hammering, but not for I use the stick now to make the flower bloom. So what I got, so I got this one, and what I'm doing, I'm going to pour some UV resin. It's a jade action resin, you can see, and this is just to try, see how it goes. That should be more than enough. That's done. And you can see, oops, where is the wipes? I think I accidentally cut the point as well. I just wanted to cut the extra, but never mind. So I'll just twist it. Let's do what I want to do now. So I'm just going to try to make some shape what I wanted, and then after that I will dry it. So I've got my gloves in one hand. I haven't got this one, but make sure you wear your gloves. So let's try. You can actually use the dotting tool as well. So I want right now. I'm just going to leave this here, and now use my UV light to dry this. I got my nails on upstairs. I'm just sorting my craft room out, so I just left that upstairs. Hope it's dry. Let's just check with the toothpick. Yeah, it has dry. Oops, that's got to drop. I'm not happy with the last drop just gone there, so I'm just going to wipe that. Okay, I'm just going to leave that one there. So I'm going to finish off, and I'll probably use the tip for the next round. So this one I'm just doing around in the middle. The next one, I'll show you how to do with the dotting tool, if I can find my dotting tool. Well, I couldn't find a dotting tool, so I'm just going to show you with this one. But you can use the same way with the dotting tool. I think it will be much easier to do than using the anything else. So I got one dot here. I'm just going for mandala on this one. Because you would have a control when you use the dotting tool or stick. So now I'll show you how to do with the just like using the, it's just a normal, this one is so easy one, just put in there. But the thing is the thickness will be same for all, but when you use the stick I think it's much easier to do with the stick. And I'm just making flower here. I'm hoping this one turns out better than the last one I tried. With this one I'm just going to go for a spiral one. Okay, now I dry them. So now I am using this beautiful less resin chameleon powder on this one. So I'm just going to brush it, and then I use the black and white the color resin. So first, okay, so let me just do this gold one, the beautiful gold. Use it here. So you can see how beautiful it looks. I'm just going to wipe it first before I use the same brush. Now let's just go for the pink one for this beautiful heart. See how beautiful it looks. Then let me wipe again. And then going, try this one. And this spider. I don't know which one is what. I'm just going for what I want to. Just using it randomly. That's the blue, purple, so it should be right in the blue one. So blue, go here. That does look like a mandala, just messed up here, but it does look nice. Well, once this once we take it out, once we demold it, we see. Pretty sure it look beautiful. So what I'm doing, some of them I'm going to use white color resin and some mixing with my black pigment paste. You can actually do like multicolors. The one line is one color, then like purple, gold, and do a try on here. See how it looks when we get it out. So I got purple already there, so put the purple there. Let me go for the gold, blue one next to it. I use the gold one. Don't mind using same. Haven't wiped it because it's blending anyway. It's in the same one, so doesn't really matter. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my resin, and then I'll pour the resin. So I have got my resin mixed here, and I am, as you know, I am using Demolding resin. You can actually use UV resin as well, and let it dry under the UV light, or leave it under the sunlight. If you leave the direct sunlight, it will dry so quickly. I just had experience. I done some of the hearts as well, and some of this one I did outside in my garden, and it's like 25 degrees Celsius, 24 probably degrees Celsius outside right now. It's sunny, and I was just dropping it, and it was curing same time. So it saves your time and saves your using the UV lights as well. So but I'm using the epoxy to cover now. So I got white mix here, white pigment paste, and the black. Now let's do this. So some of them I'm going for black, and some of them I'm going for white. So let me just put the white on this. And the rest I'll go the black. The black pops out really nice. White is not, it gives you like a kind of the sober color, but this one gives the black one gives proper chameleon effect. Okay, just a bit more here because I don't like it too thick. So that's all, and tomorrow we're going to demold it and see how it looks at the side. So see you tomorrow. So you can see it's dry. This is the next day. One thing you can do after 2 hours, you can put straight away your phone gripper on the top. So this one goes on the top, and that goes, you sticking that on there. So this is where you stick to your phone. Just peel it off and stick on a phone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the UV resin to stick those phone grip on my the accessory I made. So let me just put my gloves on. I'm just using my one hand. So yeah, So all you need to do, just put a little bit of your UV resin, and spread it. That's enough. I'm going to do all of them. I only got 4 black left, sorry, 2 left, and the rest are white. I have to use the white on a black as well. This is one of the popular ones. They sell quite a lot in a craft fair as well. So if you're looking for your popular line, don't forget to get the pop socket, because the phone holders are very popular among not only the teenagers, but even the women. Lots of women buy from me as well to give as a gift for themselves. So I think it should be enough. This one in low now. I need to open another one. So that's it. Once you're done now, get your pop socket and just place where you got your UV resin and press it firmly so you can get stick when you dry it. So except for left now. Yeah, if you're not sure it's not enough resin you put it on, what you need to do, just press it first and then try to lift it. If it stick, yeah, it has enough resin there. You get a little bit more there. Enough. Now I'm going to let it dry under the UV light and let it do it like magic. So it's time to demold it. Let's see how they look. That's the swirl one we did it. Love it. This one just to drop with the multicolor we used. Oh, this one is like a kind of the mandala. This one is the white background. You can see the white doesn't look that great as the black one. I just wanted to do 2 of them in white. That's gold. That's beautiful. I'll do that again. Look at this. Lovely. And this one is kind of flower. So what I'm going to do now, I'll fill, actually that left a stain on that. I wonder how it's going to be, well, never mind. So I'm going to put the resin now, dome it, because I do love my doming effect. So let's do that one. So just doming with the UV resin. This is the quickest way to do it. So I'm just using the silicone stick and just spreading on the side and covering all over. Don't add too much, otherwise it will drip. Now I'll look under the light. If I have missed any spot, I could just get it covered, like here, and then cover properly. So that's it. Now I am just going to push under the UV light and let it dry and do another one. Just get this out because this was done long ago, so that's, you can see how nice it look. I'm showing it as well. This one, that looks beautiful as well. This one is the light one, the one we use the white pigment paste. So they're all dry. It's up to you if you want to leave one on the windowsill or not. I normally like leaving it, so just peace of mind. So thank you guys for watching, and yes, I'll show you another close look to that it as well. Thank you and bye for now.